Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, Play-Doh Town. Ice cream truck. Yeah! Awesome. Look at this popsicle maker. And ice cream cone makers. And I see stuff to add the toppings, sprinkles, hearts, and stars. Ooh, we couldn't wait to get this. That's the ice. He runs the ice cream cart.
Who's that?
I'm not sure what his name is. We'll have to look it up. What do you want to call him?
Blueberry.
Blueberry? That'll be Blueberry. Ooh, look at that ice cream he made. And this, I can't wait for this popsicle maker. We can make popsicles all the time.
I can make here.
And look at his head. He's got a bunch of fruit on it.
I'm gonna make ice cream fun.
Billy Blueberry.
I'm make ice cream fun.
Want to make ice cream?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Beep beep. Here comes the ice cream truck. Ta-da! With sprinkles on the wheels. And molds on the back. Cool. And at the very top, we have the ice cream press. Let's see how it works. Push! And our ice cream is going into the ice cream cone. Hooray! Ooh, and we've got some yummy ice creams ready to go. Here's mint with the pretzel, strawberry, and raspberry. And here's a pink cone with a wafer and a heart and a little star. And this is my favorite part of this Play-Doh set is the popsicle maker. This thing is so cool. Can't find it in any other sets. Some Play-Doh in there. We're gonna make a minty green popsicle. Ta-da! Ooh, we have minty green and we have strawberry and raspberry flavors. Yummy, yummy. Minty green and strawberry raspberry. Wonder who might want to buy some ice cream. Ta-da! It's Hello Kitty, and she brought us a pie to exchange for ice cream. Hooray! Who else is coming to the ice cream party? Princess Sofia the First? Hooray! What kind of ice cream would you like, Sofia? Mint? Here you go. It's so good. And Hello Kitty wanted to try the raspberry with strawberry. It's so good. And on the ice cream truck, you can pull this mold tray out for some toppings, a heart, a star, wafer, and some other yummy toppings. Looks like they even have a flower in there. And then on the back you have the pretzel, a berry, strawberry, gummy bear, and a candy. So you can even make some yummy gummy candies. How's your ice cream, Sofia? It's really good. How's yours, Hello Kitty? Yummy! Thank you, ice cream truck, for coming into our neighborhood and delivering some yummy ice cream. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe. Whoa, there goes the ice cream. Bye, everybody.